Good morning.
Good morning on a Friday.
We are at Aldi. Well, obviously we're in the car at Aldi and about to get taco bar supplies because we're having company tonight, and I'm shedding.
Yeah.
But the clip right after this is Friday in the Aldi parking lot right here.
Hit me again, dealer.
Oh, it's an interesting outfit.
Yeah, it's Friday.
What's happening over here?
We're taking it out.
Cornelius. He's like, I'm gonna go in there. All right, we just did a voiceover audition. It's been a long time since we did one of those. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why do woodpeckers want to eat our bricks? I don't understand. Cornelius. Oh, you're thirsty. You're thirsty. Making a taco bar. Look at this. Julian is about to go to practice. The other boys are just hanging out. We have people coming. People are here. I'm so excited.